Hello, this is a quick tutorial over how to do your daily bell ringers. The first thing you'll do is to log into your Clever account with your Epic email. This is my Clever account. You will not have this many apps, thankfully. Once you get logged into Clever, you will click into your Schoology app. Again, your Schoology app will look different than mine. However, you will click on Courses and you'll go to Homeroom. Once you get into your Homeroom, you will have a couple of things. Again, yours will look different, but you will have bell ringers. So you will click on bell ringers. Since this is the second 9 weeks, you will click on bell ringers second 9 weeks. You'll find your grade level. And then you'll find today's date. So I would click on week 10 since that is not grayed out. And I would find today's date. Today is October 28th, so I'd click on that. And since I'm not a student, I don't get to do the bell ringer, but you would be given a short activity to complete. You will do that every day, and well, every school day, and that will be how we keep your attendance for the year.